On day 121 of Everyday Bible with Ada Ukabia, we'll go back to the story of David in 2 Samuel chapter 5. Then we'll see a repeat and a breakdown of the same story in 1 Chronicles chapter 11 and chapter 12. The last time we will read about King David, now when those over-sabi people where go decide to kill the surviving son of the late King Saul and then try to wipe out an entire family. That one vexed David because he said, who sent them? So he deal with that matter. Today, finally, the other people of we make up the tribes of Israel, they can't decide to make David the king of the entire Israel. Remember, before now, David was only king over Judah. A quick comparison. Now at age 30, David become king. Now at age 30, Jesus began his ministry fully. For 33 years, David ruled as king over Israel. And now at age 33, Jesus died on the cross. As we continue to read, we see that David deal with those with the yabam, where they tell him say, even our blind and the lame say that is the weakest amongst them, go fit deal with David. But because God deal with David, he deal with those people. Unfortunately, we don't talk on before, David, I and women, now 5 and 6. The more power we him get, now the more women and the more concubines him they gather, and the more children him they born, and the more wahala for that polygamous family. In verse 21 of that chapter 5, we will read today in the book of 2 Samuel, something very odd will catch my eye. When they defeat the Philistines, instead of them to destroy the idols, then carry the idols off. We go jam for front. Now for Chronicles, we can see a deeper and clearer and detailed description of wetin happened. How David captured the city of Jerusalem, come make him the city of David. How he appoint his commander-in-chief by giving a task. Now person will walk the talk, now him appoint. No be just, I sabi you and no sabi me. No, you go earn that appointment. When people mock you, especially the likes of the Jebusites, the people where they in that land of Jerusalem, where David and his men want to conquer. Now wisdom you need from God. So instead of make David go to the front of the city, that's the gate, past the main entrance, where all the people, the inhabitants, they expect them to follow. Wise man, he follow the water shaft, be like tunnel. Now that path, now them follow, can go surprise these people and attack them. Remember, Jerusalem is located at the top of a mountain. See how David select his own elite forces. Amongst the elite forces, he get the 3, the main warriors when they take place. Now them be his own personal bodyguards. Jeshobim, Eleazar, and Shammah. The 30 special forces will make up his warriors. Those one, majority of them defect. Just remind me of members of political parties. Then defect, they just change their alliance from supporting Saul, they move to support David. Now how David can't get fortified army. All of these warriors will make up the special forces. Every one of them, if you play with them during war, then they specialize in all of the different tools, the different weapons when they feel use to fight war. And remember, God, they on his side. From wetin we read today, we go understand, say, if God no dey with you, success go hard o. And true leadership is all about serving the people where you want lead and make they listen, they understand the times, and they make sure say you dey close to God before you go make any decision.